Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to pause the workout on this watch. So first let me quickly start the workout. So I'm gonna press the middle button and start some workout. And let's say you have the workout going and you want to pause it, and you can do it in a few ways on this watch. You can press the middle button and we'll pause the workout. To unpause it, I believe you can press the button again. Yeah, it will resume it. You can also swipe right on the screen and tap on pause. It will pause it, and to resume it, you can swipe right on the screen and resume it. And last way is to press the lower button to open the same menu, tap on pause, then press the lower button again and tap on resume. And that's about it. Once you're done with the workout, you can simply finish it by tapping on finish. And that's how you pause the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.